Secura is a critical cloud service provider, so we specialise in hosting web-based applications that are revenue critical. So we have to house our cloud platforms in state-of-the-art data centre facilities because our entire product portfolio is about availability and uptime, and being in a data centre facility is the only way you can truly deliver guaranteed availability to the cloud platforms, which in turn guarantees availability for the customer applications that are living on those platforms. So in a previous life, I was involved in a business where we owned our own data centre, and data centres work well on scale and require masses of capital investment to get them to the specification of facility that ultimately our end users require. So it was an absolute no-brainer for us to go and look and seek out the best facilities in the UK to house our cloud platforms. So when we started looking for data centres to house the new cloud platforms, we were looking for facilities that were very highly spec'd, Tier 3 plus. We were very keen that the operations of the business was UK based and had a similar ethos or culture to us as a business. And then ISO certification is absolutely critical because we have to be ISO certified as a business as well. VIRTUS ticked all our boxes. So after looking at an awful lot of facilities, way more data centres than anyone would want to go into in a lifetime, we ended up selecting VIRTUS because they tick all the boxes, they have a fantastic culture, the team in VIRTUS itself are brilliant, they're always happy to help us, and they have a very similar ethos to us as a business. I'd definitely say that partnering with VIRTUS for our data centres has helped us grow as a business. Being able to access these facilities and give end users tours of these facilities gives them the confidence in Secura as a business that we take what we do very, very seriously, just as VIRTUS do. So we were very keen to find a partner that embraced our approach of flexibility and our customer-focused approach. And in partnering with VIRTUS, we've really found them to be a bigger business than us, but very similar core values to us as a company, incredibly flexible. When we need help, they're always there to give it to us, just like we are for our customers. So I would honestly say that the ability to leverage the facilities has increased our revenue growth. And I know that's quite a bold statement, but for end users of our services to be able to come and view these facilities and see with their own eyes just how state-of-the-art they are, that does encourage them to sign up with us quicker. One of the main benefits working with VIRTUS is you could potentially view us as a startup because of the management buy-in that we did in 2014. We really re-architected the business. We turned it into a critical cloud services provider from a managed colo business or a dedicated server business. So VIRTUS shared our vision. They believed in what we were setting out to achieve. They were very flexible commercially in the early days, which is when you need it. And we've been on a growth journey together that's been very successful for both parties.